Game Squad, it is me, Rich Gamer, back at another video. Now, of course, today I'm gonna be doing a video which is expectations versus reality such Jigsaw. So if you guys know the Saw franchise from Jigsaw, also the new movie that came out in 2017, which was Saw 8, in other words, but his name is Jigsaw, but in other words it's Saw 8 because the last movie was Saw 7 and now this one is Saw 8. But yeah guys, I am going to do an expectation versus reality of that. So if this video is short, don't worry, okay, because I'm going to be doing a lot of expectation versus reality throughout my channel. So yeah guys, so yeah, let's start with the expectation. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna think where I am. Then I'm gonna be like, why is there a lock on the door? So then I'm gonna search for clues, and then I find the box, right? Yeah, a box, what's gonna be in it? Oh my god, a key? Oh, well, maybe it can figure a lock, and nobody knows. Let's try it out. Yeah, there's the lock. Maybe it can work, Okay, so now let me go to the lock. Let me unlock it. Wait, guys. Oh yeah, guys, look, I did it. Yes, I finished good. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah! Woohoo! Oh. Where am I? Why is there a lock on the door? Am I in a saw trap? Wait.